Are you tired of getting your hands dirty with traditional soil gardening? Or maybe you're just looking for a new and exciting hobby. Whatever the reason, hydroponics might be just the thing you need to add some fun and greenery to your life. Before you jump into the world of hydroponics, you'll need to gather some essential equipment. Here are 10 must-have pieces of equipment. 1. Reservoir tank, a container to hold the nutrient solution. Think of it as a giant fish tank, but instead of fish, you'll be growing plants. 2. Water pump, a pump to circulate the nutrient solution through the system. It's like a heart that keeps the nutrient solution flowing throughout your hydroponic setup. 3. Air stone and air pump, to oxygenate the nutrient solution. The air stone and pump work together to create tiny bubbles that keep the roots of your plants healthy and happy. 4. Growing medium, the substance in which the plant roots grow, such as coconut coir, perlite, or rock wool. This is what replaces the traditional soil in a hydroponic system. 5. Net pots, containers to hold the plants and growing medium. They come in different sizes and shapes to accommodate different types of plants. 6. Hydroponic nutrient solution, a specially formulated solution that contains all the necessary nutrients for plant growth. It's like a multivitamin for your plants. 7. pH testing kit, to measure the pH level of the nutrient solution. You want to make sure the pH level is within a certain range so that the plants can absorb the nutrients they need. 8. EC/TDS meter, to measure the electrical conductivity and total dissolved solids of the nutrient solution. This helps you determine if the nutrient solution is too concentrated or too diluted. 9. Lighting system, to provide artificial light if the natural light is insufficient. Plants need light to grow, and a hydroponic setup can't rely on the sun alone. 10. Timer, to automate the lighting and water pump. You can set the timer to turn the water pump and lighting on and off at specific intervals, which makes maintenance much easier. With these essential pieces of equipment and your newfound knowledge of hydroponics, you're well on your way to a fun and rewarding gardening adventure. You'll have the satisfaction of growing your own fresh produce right at home. So, get your green thumbs ready and dive into the exciting world of hydroponics.